summer trees. My hands were tangled in the winds, moving so softly nobody can see. Against your morning skin, while they shine like two young lovers walking by. There's a soft, strange kind of art, giving company to all the lonely hearts. There's 100 cigarettes on the ground, and our clothes are still hanging around. And it's nice to be ugly in each other's arms, so we can grow over all the things we were before. The sun is in your eyes. The sun is in your eyes. Throw me the cold. Throw me the cold, cold water of your smile again, to take me by surprise. You take me by surprise. Throw me the bold, throw me the bold, bold treasure of your lips again. And where I go, you lead me in the right direction, and with your love as my protection, I'll be a world of your projection. And where I go, singing songs of your affection, with rhymes to your perfection. In my eyes see a reflection of you. I see you clearly now. I hope